Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, we will first need to turn off our device, and we can do so by just pressing the power button and volume up at the same time. And from here, select shut down. You'll feel a vibration which indicates that the phone turned off. So when you have that, now you're gonna hold power button and volume up. And you can let go of them when you have the bootloader show up, which is this mode right here. Now, in this mode, when you're holding these buttons, you will see that the arrow just kind of goes down when you're holding it. So we will need to select the correct mode, and we have Fastboot mode in the middle. So pressing volume up only, which is the way you navigate down instead of up. You can navigate through this, as you can see. And there is two Fastboot modes I do want to point out. So there's one right here. Now this one is one that has no options whatsoever. You're just gonna click on it, and that's it. And nothing will literally change on the screen, I think. And I can just showcase this. So we're gonna select it. When it's selected, press volume down to confirm it. Oh no, it does. We have Fastboot mode showing up right here, and that's all you get. Now, there's another Fastboot mode in here, so I'm gonna show you how to get to that one, but first we will need to leave this Fastboot mode. So to do so, we're gonna hold power button and volume down, which is a way to basically forcibly restart the device or reboot it. Kind of like a restart button on a PC. So when you hold these and you see the screen turn off, immediately after it turns off, we're gonna, at least I will be switching back to volume up from volume down to get back into this mode, meaning the bootloader. So let's do that right now. So let me just reposition my hands so like I don't screw it up. There we go. There we go, it's off. And there we go, we're back into the bootloader. So again, now I'm gonna select recovery mode like I mentioned. So this is the second way you can access Fastboot mode. So again, volume down to confirm it. Now when accessing recovery mode, we first get blocked by this. Come on, there we go, this. So to get past this, we're just gonna hold power button, and while holding it, press volume up once. This will redirect you to the recovery mode. Now in here we can now use both volume buttons to navigate. Volume down will go down and up will go up, as would be the most logical way. And with that in mind, we can select enter Fastboot mode. Now to confirm it, you're gonna press power button. And you can see here is our secondary Fastboot mode. Now this one has some options which basically allow us to navigate back to all the menus that we have gone through, like reboot system now, which that would take us back to Android, enter recovery, which is the previous page we have seen. And then we have also enter reboot to Fastboot. Oh, sorry, not Fastboot, reboot to bootloader. I'm not sure why I said the other way. But yeah, so bootloader is the first menu that we've seen after turning off the device. And lastly, we have just a power off. Now I'm going to stick with the first option, just confirm it again with the power button as you navigate the same way you did in the recovery mode. And this will now bring me back to Android. And there we go. Oh, now, so anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.